Hello. Today we are going to learn how to make a Halloween costume for Luna Girl, the high-flying villain from the show PJ Masks.
It's Luna Girl! What's she doing?
And the best part is that these costumes require no sewing. Your trick-or-treater will love them.
It's Luna Girl!
Let's start by going over the materials that we need. We need a pair of scissors, a single hole punch, elastic string, a pencil, and a hot glue gun. You're going to need a parent to help you with the gluing and the cutting.
My Moonball doesn't just suck up fun things, it can suck up PJ Pest too! Whoa!
For Luna Girl's mask, we need black and silver foam sheets.
For the rest of our Luna Girl costume, we need a large black t-shirt, gray tights, some gray knee socks, and some gold foam.
Make it stop!
Please! Whoa!
We have our mask cutout all ready to trace. So let's lay it out on the black foam and trace the shapes using a pencil. Now we cut it out using our scissors.
Hold tight, kitty litter boy! Oh, no, you don't! Oh! Ah!
Next, we use the silver foam to cut out Luna Girl's hair. We taped our cutout to the back of the foam to make it easier. Let's cut it out with our scissors. Let's use our hole punch to punch holes on both sides of the mask for the elastic string. Now we glue Luna Girl's hair into place. And finally, we thread through the elastic string and tie it on the back. That's it! Our Luna Girl mask is done.
Mine! 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 Stop! I stole these things fair and square!
Now for the rest of Luna Girl's costume. We need to make Luna Girl's crescent moon crest. We take a piece of gold foam sheet and trace a circle in the middle. Then we draw the crescent moon shape and cut it out using the scissors. Now we take the large black t-shirt and glue the crest in the middle. Then we take our scissors and cut the t-shirt from the bottom hem to the middle of the shirt. Now, let's turn the shirt inside out, fold the two sides back, and glue them into place. Next, we take out our gray socks and cut off the toes. Now we have gray sleeves for under the t-shirt. Add in a pair of gray tights and we're done. Our Luna Girl costume looks fantastic.
I finished with your gardening stuff, by the way. Turns out all my moonflower needs is a healthy dose of nighttime Luna beams.
Check out our other videos to learn how to make costumes for Romeo and Night Ninja. PJ Mask villains, we all shout all right, causing some mischief on Halloween night.
PJ Masks for the PJ Masks. PJ Masks for the PJ Masks. PJ Masks! Owlette and the Moonball.
So it's us against you guys.
And me.
You? You're no good at soccer. Huh?
Look at her go!
Amaya's amazing! Now pass! Come on!
Amaya, over here! What?
Amaya, pass it to Greg. We're a team, remember?
No need, Connor. Watch this!
Amaya! I said you were no good at soccer.
Yes, I am. I just need another try. Let me get the ball back.
We'll help you.
There it is. Huh? Hey! What is that?
I don't know. A moth! So I'm guessing Luna Girl has something to do with this. PJ Masks, we're on our way.
Into the night to save the day!
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Greg becomes
Gekko! Yeah!
Connor becomes
Catboy!
Amaya becomes
Owlette! The PJ Masks!
So, first job, pick a vehicle. Whoa!
Oops, you were foiled by a furball.
How did that get here? Now, the owl glider might help us spot Luna Girl from above, but the cat car would be better for sneaking up on her.
I've got it!
Owlette, what are you doing?
Showing you how good I am at soccer. Huh. Oh.
Whoa!
Oops.
The Gekko-mobile it is. Let's go! So, keep your eyes out for a big white ball sucking up toys. It could be anywhere.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Phew!
It's heading into the park. By my cat's whiskers. What are you doing, Luna Girl?
The PJ Masks. Meet my Moonball! It'll suck up every fun daytime toy, so I can keep them all to myself in the night. Not if we stop you first. Stop me? Ha! My Moonball doesn't just suck up fun things. It can suck up PJ pests, too. What? Oh, no, Gekko! Huh? Whoa!
Look! Huh? Kick it, Owlette! Kick it!
Hey! How come the Moonball didn't suck us in? Maybe it's because we hit it. Yes! It's like a massive soccer ball! Check out my skills! Hey! Whoa! Oops, sorry, but what a shot! Header!
Ah! Super cat jump! Ah! Whoop!
those PJ pests. It's time to suck up the playground!
We need to stop Luna Girl. Lucky I'm great at tackling, too.
Wait, we need to work as a team.
First, I'll suck up the spinny thing. Too slow, Luna Girl! What? Oh, I'll stop you, you feathery fool! Whoa! Catch me if you can! Please! Whoa! Super Gekko muscles!
Now we have to destroy the Moonball so Luna Girl can't steal anyone else's toys.
Wait, let me show you what I can do first.
Hey! Stop that!
Owlette, please pass me the ball.
I will, but watch this.
Goal! I did it!
No!
Luna bird! That bird brain got sucked inside. Help! I caught a little birdie. Luna magnet, bounce that birdie around.
Maybe I should have passed to Catboy.
Bouncy, bouncy, little bird.
Super cat jump!
What?
Now, Gekko!
No, 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 no!
It's going to be okay, Owlette. We have you now. Catboy, Gekko, I'm so sorry. I just wanted you to see how good I am at soccer.
But we already know that, Owlette.
And you'd be even better if you passed the ball.
You're right. It's a team game, and we're a team too. Time to be a hero. Oh.
We need to get Owlette out of this Moonball.
We could pop it with some sort of really big pointy thing.
What about the flagpole outside the museum? Gekko, you roll the ball. Catboy, go in front and guide him.
Where are those PJ pests?
This way, left a bit. Watch out for the lamppost.
Ha! Aha! Moonball, come back here.
No!
Hey, why have we slowed down?
It's Luna Girl's lunar magnet. It's too strong.
I know! We need to play as a team. Gekko, use your super muscles. Catboy, use your super speed. And I'll use my owl wing wind.
Yes! Great work, PJ Masks.
Useless thing! Now let's pop this Moonball. Super Gekko muscles!
Let's roll this thing as fast as we can, team.
Yeah!
What are you doing? No, no, no! Yay!
Woohoo!
All right! Yeah, come on! My Moonball!
Fluttering feathers! We did it!
But the toys are scattered all over the town square.
We'll need to collect them all and put them back where they belong.
What? No! My toys! But they're mine! 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 Stop! I stole these things fair and square. And you burst my Moonball!
Here, you can have our ball if you like.
Huh? What use is a silly little ball like this? I suppose it's kind of cool.
I'll leave this here for her. Now come on, let's get all this stuff home. PJ Masks, I'll whisper hooray.
'Cause in the night, we save the day!
So you still think you can play soccer? Huh? Hey!
Hey! Come on, Amaya! Shoot!
No, Greg's closer than me.
Huh? Huh?
You scored, Cameron! Great shot!
Yes, you're an excellent team player.